welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the Hai Chau area here, guys. We are right, here's the Hoan My Hospital. I have a brand new camera here. Oh, it's gonna be very good. And we have some banks over here. We're gonna actually have a beautiful walk now from here all the way to the Dragon Bridge. This is basically the main street here. You could come out here from the airport and drive or walk all the way from here to the beach. And you would end up at the Nobu. So the Dragon Bridge, this is the street of the Dragon Bridge. You basically only have to walk straight or drive straight and you're basically in the water. You would come out between Nobu Hotel and the Esco Beach. Or like this area there at least. There are a lot of banks over here. There's also a VP bank. It's also very good to get some cash out. But I wouldn't come here just to get cash out. So that doesn't make sense, right? But if you want to get like 100 million out, then that's a pretty good bank to do so. We also have a camera store over there. DJI and iPhones and all kinds of tech over there. Huh. Maybe I gotta get some drink. That's Marcus. He's not into walking anymore. He only plays pickleball. And yeah, that's it. He does not walk. He's not a man of the streets anymore. I gotta get a drink somewhere. Sometimes you see a lot of gems over here as well. I think back then I exchanged my battery of my MacBook here at the Apple Center, which is definitely not official. They do have an official Apple partner in Da Nang, but it's only one that does the official battery change. This is how it looks in a big city. This is like a real big city life here in Hai Chau. Oh, it's green. You can walk. And of course, you can have a authentic KFC here in Vietnam. Check this out, guys. Just to get you a little bit understanding of the prices. You get a chicken thigh or something like that, and a drink, and rice and some beans or something like that for 39,000 dong. That is $1.80 or something like that. Or the same, you get a rice bowl with chicken. Or you get some pasta and some chicken nuggets. Or a whole combo for less than $2 US. Hello. Hello. Yeah, so it's definitely a different price structure than anywhere else in the world with the KFC. And somehow, you know the feeling when you're, I mean it is in Germany, I think I've had KFC probably in America too, or somewhere in another Western country, and it always feels very heavy afterwards. But here, I feel like it's less heavy. And it tastes somehow fresher and better, if that makes sense. Somehow healthier. I've been to KFC once, I think, or maybe twice, but at least once that I remember, and it was, I had a banh mi chicken sandwich. So it was basically just a Singer burger or something like that, but they had some pickled carrots and what else did they have? It looked like a banh mi, you know? And this is what they were. There was a KFC banh mi. That was the big advertisement. And I got sold, so I tried it. It was $2.50 and it was a whole combo, and it tasted pretty... I was not full enough afterwards, let's say it like that. But a nice little dish, I would say. There's so many banks. National Citizen Bank. And they all give you a lot of What is it called? Huh? I cannot film it, I guess. Cannot film the bank. Okay. But there's a hospital. Family medical practice. I think this is also pretty famous. I heard about that before. But I'm not sure how it is structured inside. Because it doesn't look that big. It just looks like a small little office. Yeah. It's so weird to see those old cars here. And then the future. Winfast VF3. Doesn't this look so cool? This model is a little bit boring, to be honest. VF5 or something like that. VF3, VF9, oh, very nice. Oh, look at this. Perfetto. Coffee machines. Wow. Siebträgermaschine. Wow. What does... I think I'm ready for some midlife crisis. Let's get an expensive coffee machine. How can I open this? Oh, yeah. So interesting. So I think this is a pretty nice one. But let me know in the comments what is the best one. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Let me know. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I'm 37 now? No, 36. I'm getting 37 now. Maybe I'm ready. I'm ready for getting a Siebträgermaschine. The only problem I see in getting a coffee machine at home, oh look at this, a hole of doom. The only problem I see of getting a Siebträgermaschine at home is I actually like to go to coffee, you know. I like to have the, oh what is that? Laptop, Wuri Bank, desktop. I think this is a PC place. That's interesting, it's good to know. Maybe they have good, what's it called, desktop, not desktop, monitors. But my problem is I like to go to have coffee, you know. I like the thing to go out and have a good coffee. Now if I have a coffee at home, no, I don't know what to do with that. I go and sit down somewhere outside and drink a coconut or what? I don't know. Look at how many VF3s there are there. And they have a huge construction here on the street. It's very busy over there. Look at how many people stand here. Wow, the whole street is open over there. That's crazy. It's also a very chaotic intersection. Very interesting to see. I think maybe 50% bigger than it is in Ho Chi Minh City like that. I've been one time in one of these spirals of doom. It's absolutely craziness. But somehow it works. Let's see if we can cross. Yes, it's green. But green doesn't mean anything! I can smell some gasoline and dust. I'm wondering if there's any place, any whole district that is not under construction at the moment. There's a huge FPT store over there, FPT shop. And next to it there's a pretty nice looking one. It looks like the Apple store of the FPTs. It's called FPT Studio or something like that. Looks very bougie. F Studio. As you can see, the normal layout of FPT is like a lot of advertisement, and then here it's like stylish. It's like they're reconstructing an Apple store. Look at this, a public bus. Oh, look at this, there's some people in there. I can't believe it. It's also super random small, right? The bus. But it's just like built that small because not many people using it anyways. Sometimes it's very good to walk here, to really see every store slowly. Because now I did not know there's a bedding store, mattress store, Chongman chicken. Huh. Look how many VF3s, they're all the same color somehow. Fong Wu VM. Electronics store. I haven't been inside one of those. Huh. Hello. I'm not sure what's worse, the fumes of the motorbikes and cars or the dust. I think the dust. I think the dust is the worst pollution. All these things that go in the air. Nice little greenery here. Lots of hipster coffee shops over here. A lot of them. There's also one McDonald's somewhere there. I think it's the second McDonald's in Da Nang. The third McDonald's is now in the An Thung area. So we have 3 McDonald's in the city. And a Nike store here. Interesting. I think it was always there. I think this must be an original one. Be so open there. But sometimes it's hard to see what's original and what's not. Sometimes some stores look so legit, but it's still not legit places inside. I gotta drink something somewhere. Oh, check this out. If you want to have a guitar or ukulele, piano, huh? That's crazy. This small little VinFast car had such a huge honk. That sounds so wrong. Oh, that sounds so wrong. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna walk over there. And this video is already too long, but this is basically the Dragon Bridge, okay? And what I will do now, after this will end, I will start a video on the river, and then we will see this huge new festival or whatever is going on over there and make a whole video about that, because it's going to be a big one too. But this is how, always look around. You always have to be very careful here, guys. Crossing the streets. Woo! This is also a nice hotel. I did a review about that. And whenever you want to see some reviews, just type in the name of the hotel to YouTube, and after that Social Semi with 1 M, okay? Social Semi and the hotel name. It usually should come up. A pizza company, HSBC, also maybe very interesting for my Hong Kong people. Also, I will be in Hong Kong very soon. Maybe I'm gonna do a HSBC company account. That would be nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next walk.